How to withdraw money from Sweatcoin in 2024. Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. This is a step-by-step guide so you should be able to follow easily. Now let's go ahead and open up the Sweatcoin application from your Android or from your iOS device. Right after opening up Sweatcoin application, you will then go ahead and see the main menu of Sweatcoin right here. And right above your screen, you will then go ahead and see your credits. Now to go ahead and withdraw these credits to our Sweatcoin is by heading over to our main menu, and below our settings or below our main menu, we will then go ahead and see the categories right here. You want to go ahead and click on the second one, which is basically the checkout section, and from here you want to go ahead and change your country region depending on your region. Now the reason why this is important, because depending on your region, the checkout items right here can go ahead and change, so you want to make sure that you have the right country or region. Now once inside, you can just go ahead and scroll down, and inside this you can go ahead and see we have some items right here, we have some accessories. But if you want to go ahead and withdraw money from Sweatcoin, you specifically want to go ahead and look for the PayPal or the Amazon gift cards, and in that way you will be able to sell them to your friends or family or use the gift cards yourself. So guys, if this video has been helpful for you, please consider by liking and subscribing. I'll make sure to see you again next time, and as always, thank you.